travel trailer that we have for sale. It's got the outlet for outside TV, it's got the outlets, outdoor speakers, it's got the stove, mini fridge, storage, outdoor connection, shower, outdoor shower connection, hose, hot water heater, city connection, antifreeze, water inlet, back drawer, slides out, storage, tire, ladder, cable inlet, outside, storage underneath the dinette. Sorry, this is a quick video. That not yet. Outdoor shower. That's the outside. Storage underneath the kitchen sink. Going inside. Kitchen, beautiful front window we really like. 3-burner stove, hood, microwave, lots of storage. Pantry has the dinette. We have a piano bench for extra seating when we play cards with our friends. We have a fireplace, entertainment center, big refrigerator. Down the hall, into the restroom. Skylight in the bathroom. Nice sink area. It's got a back bedroom, which you can close the door. And so you have a separate space. That's it. Thanks.